That's 3 hours.
That was attractive!
Excuse me.
Try not to be yourself.
6, 7.
Excuse me.
There's 6 pieces of meat in there.
I'm gonna try. For the rest of my life.
Now I'm good to go.
Harry, I love you, dude.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Gotta lighten up on the patchouli oil, for fuck's sake. Jesus, man, come on. What's up with the patchouli? Come on.
Ready? I am not ready.
Excuse me, gorilla.
Im Kölner E-Werk.
Okay, we're gonna play you a song we wrote out in Australia. This is called Falling in Love. Oh, that smells like puke. Thank you.
I'll be here all night.
Am Samstag.
Okay.
Okay.
He's going.
Come on, man.
And hard working commitment that you have to, you really got to commit to it. You know, it's like it's a lot more work than people think, and there's a